a very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you a summary of our Improvers Solo Slow Foxtrot practice routine number 4, and this was taught on the 15th of August 22. And we had some problems with the audio on that video, so it's taken me a little while to come back and record it. So this was actually quite a complicated routine, and it was quite a long routine, so I'm going to split it into 3 sections, and then hopefully it will make sense. But remember, this is just a short summary, and if you want the full class where we did this for 45 minutes, you need to go into the video library and look for the 15th of August 22. Now, I'm going to start over here. Section 1, I'm going to go with a little corner check, slow, quick, quick. Grapevine for 6 quicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slide and a heel turn to finish. We're going to call that section 1. Let's do that again. And slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick. Section 2 is a weave, and I'm going to start it from a little check position. So my left foot's going to come through, forwards and check, rock back, open, forwards, open, forwards. I'm then going to have a left foot check over here and a right foot back into a pivot. I'm then going to do a spin turn. I appreciate this is going to be facing the back of the room. It's a left foot spin turn, or what is the guy's telemark? Here, here, brush, open. Okay, so let's just look at section 2. From the weave, I check into the corner. Quick, 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 slow check. Pivot, slow, and then telemark or spin turn footwork, but on the left foot. Slow, slow, slow. Okay, that's section 2. Section 3, I'm facing roughly to my right hand wall, and we did 2 adaptations of the hover cross. Okay, so I'm going to go slow, quick, 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 quick. I then come forwards on my left foot, slow, and I'm going to go quick, 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 quick. I'm going to do the first 3 steps of a reverse turn, slow, quick, quick, a natural turn, and then going back, slow, quick, quick. Okay, so just like a feather step backwards for the ladies. Let's do that last section again. So this is the hover crosses. So I'm going to go forwards, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, 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 and then the little natural turn, slow, quick, quick, and then coming back for that feather step, slow, quick, quick. I'm going to try and put it all together, but I will keep this very slow. Okay, so if you want to split it up into those sections and just do a little bit at a time. We took a long time doing this in the class. So corner check, slow, quick, quick. 6 quicks for a grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slide to the left, slow, heel turn, slow, quick, quick, check and weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, check again, slow, pivot, slow, spin turn, slow, slow, and slow. And now into these hover crosses, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, 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 natural turn, just the first 3 steps, slow, quick, quick, that's on the guys timing, and then backwards into a feather step, ladies feather step, slow, quick, quick. I had to put a slight curve because of the space. Guys, that was a very tricky routine and we took a long time doing that in the class. Okay, so do stop, repeat and so on. And I hope the summary is somewhat useful. That was Improvers Solo Slow Foxtrot practice routine number 4 on the 15th of August 22. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon.